Hello children, let's begin our English class for today. So I have told you yesterday that today we will be completing the exercises of chapter 1. So kindly take out page number 16 and write date and classwork there. So what is the day today? Today is Thursday. And what is the date today? Today is 9th of April 2020. So let's begin with the exercises. So children, let us begin with the exercises. Page number 16. Kindly write date and classwork. So today's date is 9th of April 2020. As you can see, the question is given there. Put these expressions in the correct column. The words are also given there, and there are two columns mentioned here. One is for countable and the other one is for uncountable. Now you can see I have put up two questions there. For countable, I have written how many, and for uncountable, I have written how much. So what you have to do is for each and every word given there on the top, you have to add up this question. For example, the first word is some bread. Now how you are going to ask? How many bread or how much bread? So your answer will be how many bread, right? So if it is how many, then you will put it in countable. If it is how much, you have to put it in uncountable. Shall we start? Okay. Some bread. Yes, it is countable now. Bananas. Again, countable now. A few eggs. How many eggs or how much eggs? How many eggs? Again, countable now. A little time. Uncountable now. A bowl of soup. Uncountable now. Don't have any money. Uncountable now. 10 trees. Countable now. A lot of sugar. Uncountable nouns. Many bicycles. Countable noun. A few moments. How many or how much? How many? So it will be countable nouns. Enough water. How much? So it will be uncountable. Some chairs. Countable noun. How much sand? The question itself it is there. So it will be uncountable. A little milk. A little milk. Uncountable noun. A lot of birds. Countable noun. An hour of work. How many hours? Okay, so it will be countable noun. Moving on to exercise number 2. Write C for countable nouns and UC for uncountable nouns. And you have to make plurals of the countable nouns. Now, lady, countable, and the plural word is ladies. Air, uncountable. Light, uncountable. Doll, countable, and the plural is dolls. Teacher, countable, plural word, teachers. Window, countable, plural word, windows. Silver, uncountable. Fence, countable, and fences, plural word. Oxygen, uncountable. Music, uncountable. Mud, uncountable. Mountain, mountains, and it is countable. News, uncountable. Love, uncountable. Now moving on to the next exercise. Here you have to put the possessive noun. Use of to change the following as shown. The sun's rays. The rays of the sun. The flower's petal. The petals of the flower. The boy's surprise. The surprise of the boy. The children's toys. The toys of the children. The ocean's depth. The depth of the ocean. The river's bed. The bed of the river. Now you have to use apostrophe s to change the following. The taste of the soup. The soup's taste. The feathers of the eagle. The eagle's feathers. The dress of the baby. The baby's dress. The color of the leaves. The leaves' color. Now children, you must be thinking that on the above four words like soup, eagle and baby, we have put apostrophe s. Alright, after the word. But in case of leaves, the apostrophe is after the s. Why is it so? As you can see, leaves itself is a plural word. So in case of plural word, we will put the apostrophe after the s. The friends of the girl's friends. The stem of the plant's stem. Now moving on to number 3, fill in the blanks to get correct sentences. This garbage dump attracts a lot of flies. Flies. It is already done in your book. Just check out if you leave the lead off. Number B, the flies come from the nearby bushes. Bushes. People mostly throw overripe tomatoes. Tomatoes. They also throw dirty boxes. Boxes. And never put the lid back. The cleaners. Cleaners. The second word, cleaners, are angry at the garbage spread around. Number F, they are angrier at the neighborhoods. The first spelling where apostrophe s is there, please write it down. Dirty habits. They cannot get rid of the swarm of flies. SWARM. Sprays will not help them. The first word, sprays, SPRAYS. And remember children, this word is the starting word of the sentence. So S will be in capital letter. Number I, knives will not kill the flies. Knives, the second word, and K again it will be in capital letter. What would help is clean habits. HABITS of the people of the neighborhood.